Today, prosecutors in the Daniel Penny deadly chokehold trial are expected to rest their case. Prosecutors argue Penny was reckless when he held Jordan Neely in a vice grip for too long. Eyewitness News reporter Darla Miles been covering this case for us. She's in Lower Manhattan with the latest. Darla.
Well, David, there's been a bit of a contentious war of words between defense attorneys asking the medical examiner what's possible in terms of what other possible reasons Jordan Neely may have died. And the medical examiner firmly rooted in her findings, saying those other things are not probable. She says from the video and her autopsy findings that you can see Jordan Neely dying in that 5-minute cell phone video. Dr. Cynthia Harris taking the stand for a third day in the Daniel Penny trial. Monday morning, attorneys for Daniel Penny again trying to rattle the medical examiner's findings that Jordan Neely died from compression of the neck.
The defense is basically just going in circles, as what we would call just beating around the bush. Since 10 a.m. this morning, the questions haven't changed in any manner, and neither has the answers from Ms. Harris, the medical examiner. Defense
attorneys pointing to possible other causations from the medical report, like the K2 found in Neely's system, perhaps his mental breakdown created an acute heart condition, or a sickle cell trait that might have affected his blood flow. But Dr. Harris testifying how critical the cell phone video was, in addition to the autopsy results, to determine Neely's cause of death, testifying, had pressure been released at 3 minutes and 9 seconds, he would have most likely woken up.
I feel real confident in the defeat of this case. I think that positive energy overrides negative energy.
Defense attorneys still working to cast doubt, asking, is it fair to say that you have some doubt about the pressure? Dr. Harris, a bit perplexed, responding, it's the arm of an adult man. The line of questioning continues, to which she responds, there's no force meter around his arm, so I can't tell you how much pressure. Now, the medical examiner continued on the stand for redirect and recross examination, with the prosecution resting its case just about 16 minutes ago. The defense is now putting on its case, calling Daniel Penny's sister to the stand from Florida as a character witness. Reporting live in Lower Manhattan, Darla Miles, Channel 7 Eyewitness News.